Hi guys, today we'll make slime. I'll make a dish soap slime, but you would still need these kind of glue, or you can use a coloring glue. It still works. In a bowl and a spoon. So let's get started. First, get your dish soap. It's small, but I think we got one that we started. Yeah. So let's add our glue. I think I'm using the green, so let's put some glue. Let's put some glue. I'm adding float. That's in this glue. That was making fun right now. So you have to add an activator. Activator, no slime. It does help me satisfying, and does help you get it. Like when you're mad or sad, or you don't want to go outside. This is the first thing you could do. But if y'all got something else, if y'all got other ingredients to make slime, I could make it. So, y'all see, it's turning to slime. Get your hands in, like, and just mix it. Oof. Wait, my sister says she's something. Get excited, huh? I do talk Spanish. Do now, and these two is my sister.
So make sure you go cop those. The summer release is coming very soon. Let me just give y'all a hint. One more thing, I actually forgot. The bike used in the video is the 79 bike Falcon Pro from American.
Yeah, I see. Those are beef satisfying. You can send them on the store soon. Look at your And thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.